I'm your driver, Kilograms.
And I'm a driver, Alexander. You can listen live with our updated mobile app, TBS EFM, available on Google Play Store or Apple iTunes.
Our live show will always be accessible TBS EFM Live. We have Point Radio from Mondays through Fridays, and you can also check us out from Patbang.
That's right. You can also always check us out on our Instagram.
So, did you ever did you ever not try some genres in your music life? I felt like...
Yeah, rock music, and also I love Red Hot Chili Peppers stuff, so I kind of adapted. Do you play the traditional percussion with rock music? Why not? That's my answer. All the time.
That's really cool.
I'm actually very curious.
When he got drunk, yeah. We think
Korean traditional music, right?
Right,
Oh man,
exactly.
I have no idea. Let me know what this is.
yeah, Inalchi, the band name Inalchi.
I love them
it
these
came
days.
from one of the best. Those dancers were called Ambiguous Dance Company.
Right,
Oh,
ambiguous dance
You know,
company.
they the title of that video is "Feel the Rhythm of Korea." Yeah, and it was bam, a big hit.
So good. I
Yeah.
love that video.
On the world, they love it.
Doing shows. Ambiguous dance company.
Oh wow,
That is
good for
crazy.
him.
I love this band these days. I've been checking out so many of their videos.
So this band is like a fusion band.
Exactly.
Now, because it's just bass and drums, it sounds really cool.
가을비가 내리고 있습니다. 경기 북부에 위치한 비구름이 남하하며 서울에도 다시 비가 올 것으로 보입니다. 중부지방의 비는 오늘 밤 그칠 것으로 예상되고 있으며 충청 남부와 호남 지역은 내일 새벽까지 서울 지역 현재 기온 13.6도, 지금까지 내린 비의 양은 3.2.
아는 만큼 들리는 장애차별 표현.